All right, so this has been cooking on low in the crock pot all night long. And again, it was 4 half chicken breasts, chopped onion, chopped celery, and some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then fresh parsley and a little bit of fresh cilantro and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Yes, you fill the pot up with water, and then in the morning, what you can do is like, this is cooled off. That's why I'm not wearing oven mitts. You're gonna pour this over a strainer. See the strainer? There's a strainer like you strain pasta. And you're gonna pour it over the strainer. And be careful. And it looks, you know, kind of gross, right, at this point, because you're not gonna eat the onions and celery, but what you can do is drain this off, and then you have the most amazing bone broth. Okay. And then what you can do is let this cool, and you pull apart the chicken and all the meat, and you can put it back in there. And so this is what it looks like here. It's absolutely delicious. It's full of collagen, incredibly good if you're feeling under the weather, and of course for bone strength. So give it a go, homemade bone broth. Hey, I just wanted to show you that the chicken literally falls off the bone, and like this is what the chicken looks like. So it's chicken breast, right? And then you can literally just pull it apart. This is cooled off. It's actually still a little bit warm. I lied. So don't burn your fingers, but let it all cool off. And then you have the most unbelievable bone broth chicken soup. And by the way, I'm making this for Thanksgiving when my kids come home, and I'm gonna throw this pot literally in the freezer. I'm gonna cover it up, put plastic on it super tight, and then we're gonna pull it out, add noodles to it, maybe add a little bit of cheese or veggies, and we're good to go. Enjoy.